Hi, today I will show you how to plug in and install Google Gencoding in Windows operating system. At first, you have to download Notepad++ from the Google. Open the browser and search on the Google Notepad++ download. Click on the link Notepad++ update version. Then here you will see the several version of Notepad++. Here is the update version of Notepad++. Click on this box and this will automatically download in your system. Though this Notepad++ is already downloaded in my system, that's why I cancel the download, and this is stored in my drives. Here is the Notepad++ update version. Now I install it in my system. You click all the check button and install. After installing Notepad++, click on the finish button. Then close it and close it. After installing Notepad++, you have to go Google and search Google Gencoding. So here are the several links of Google Gencoding. You have to click on Gencoding Google Code Archive. Open the link, and here are several versions of Gencoding. You have to select the Gencoding Notepad++. Since we plug in Gencoding with Notepad++, that's why we download this Gencoding Notepad++. This is 99.02 KB. So I already download this file in my system. Here Google Gencoding Notepad++. So this is a zip file. You can archive or extract Gencoding Notepad++, and after extracting this file, you have to see another folder. Enter this folder and you will see the 3 files available here. You have to copy these 3 files and go to local disk C, and here are the Notepad++ that I already installed. Click on Notepad++ and go to plugins and paste here the Gencoding files and click on continue. The 3 files is available here. Now you will open the Notepad++ and click on the yes. This is all about that how you can install Gencoding in Windows operating system. Let's enjoy it and try to write something about HTML tag and shortcut. Have a nice day.